Okay, as you can see, we're working on our face now, and I drew a line down the center of the ears, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to cut away, start cutting away about at that point. Now this is a little tougher to cut, but that's okay, no problem. Just take your time, don't get crazy. You just take your time, make a few cuts, but we're going to start cutting these ears in the middle here to separate them. See, like this. But don't cut too much now, and I'll show you why. Because we still haven't brought the face down. So we'll start working on the face again, bringing it more to a point. On both sides. Kind of look at it as you go along, see? Just sort of observe it as you go along. Okay? See how we're doing it here? There we go. Now, we're going to kind of cut that off like that. Go to the other side. Move a little wood like that. See, that way you can look at your figure and see what side may need a little bit more than another one, in other words. See, it's sort of like just even it up, but taking your time. Even it up a little bit on both sides. Some off in here. You want to get your same thing here. Come up to the top. Take a little bit off on both sides. Okay. A little bit off in here. You can take and kind of round that nose off a little bit right there, see? Not much, but I mean, we'll worry about that later. But as you can see, if you see it from the side now, it's starting to look, really starting to look like a dog, or more like the facial features of a dog. Okay, kind of bring these ears down a little bit now. Not too much. We want to be able to sort of even them out. We also want to draw a line. When we get the face down to the area, we want to also draw a little line like this, in other words. See, sort of draw your little line, and that's where you want your ears to come, and then you've got a little, the bit of the head here, in other words. You've got the head also. So, and what you want to do is you want to bring the ears, well, let's cut a little bit more in here, and then I'll show you what we're going to do. Just sort of cut it down. Do it real slow. Now, I'm going to draw me a cut right there, and I'm going to bring the ears kind of down, in other words. See, In other words, I'm going to bring the head right here up a little bit, okay? Same thing on this side. That way it gives me a better idea of what I'm doing here. Okay. Straighten that ear. There you go, down just a little bit. Okay. Now we can bring that ear down a little bit. Of course, it's way, way too thick. And as we bring it down more, I'm going to loop it a little bit. In other words, at the bottom like we did the other one, where it kind of bowed it up a little bit. Cut a little of this away. Okay. Alright. Now, the head still is just a little bit too big, so we want to bring it down a little bit more. Just a little bit too big where the face is. Of course, I like to have bigger faces. See how the front is starting to look? See how you're starting to take that wood away from this area?